talking with your babies? Are you talking with your babies, Mama Kitty? I'm sorry, Kitty.
Oh, my cute. I can help you.
Oh, oh, climb all up on me.
Hey, sit
I'm
back.
so sorry, Gracie. I did not mean to sneeze and scare you.
Sorry, Mikey. Sorry, Mikey.
I did.